I'm Kanji Coder. I'm on video 423 of the Atomic Ivy MMO, Mermaid Part 3. And guess what? So are you. So when we click, we see a to-do message, Mermaid editor put U32. Now, if I press the M key, now the mirroring mode is off and I can set tiles as per usual. Let's look at the code we've written so far in video 423 Delta. So let's go down here. So in the Mermaid function section, we've stubbed in this function. So editor put U32, it takes a tile size exponent, a layer, global tile X, global tile Y, and U32 that encodes all of our tile information. Here's the beginning of the body, here's the end of the body, and we're just logging a message where actually it's alert, right, to get our attention. But we're going to write this body of code in a different video. Let's go down a little bit further. So in the mouse master function section, within mouse master editor put U32, this is where we have clicked somewhere on the canvas. So mouse X, mouse Y, whether or not we're clicking and dragging. And it's going to set a tile onto our level map. So let's scroll down here and find the new code. So right in here, this is the original code. This is the original code right here. Editor put U32 with a tile size, layer, global tile X and Y, and the U32. We've made another function that has the exact same non-namespace name. So this is editor put U32. This is also editor put U32, but it's for the mermaid section. It takes all the same parameters in the same order. So what we did is we just wrap this code and we say that if the mirroring mode is on, we're going to do this special mirroring mode set. And if the editor mirroring mode is off, if mirroring is off in our editor, then we're going to do the normal tile setting function. And if neither of those is true, then we have some type of fatal mistake and we're going to crash right here. Here's what we did previously, here's our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. We just stubbed in the function, and we're calling the function from the correct place in the code. So if you want a longer description, go to this playlist. You are on the fast playlist. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.